Welcome to the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. This video is about keeping garden records and the process that I go through in doing that. Everything that I do is numbered, so I can go back and research records. I keep out in the garden. I keep this little check register book with me at all times. When I do something, I write it down. This book is really handy. This one happens to be leather, and I don't know how I got that, but here's when I open the book up, I have a copy of the map of the garden, the layout, and I also have show these tabs at the bottom in the check registers. I tape a lot of these registers together. The map opens up to where I've got a quick reference of the garden. You see at the bottom of the check registers these little tabs for quick reference. U is for update, X is for experiments, P is for plants, H is for greenhouse direct sowing, and G is for garden. Everything has a number. I start off at 1 and go up. Update, I don't start off with a number on this, but like if I'm transplanting seedlings, I put down what the seedling is and I put a date. Everything is dated. This right here is X for experiments. I do number that from 1 to whatever, and everything is dated. Put down what it is. Is it good? Is it bad? Whatever. And I also have P for plants. When I purchase plants at a local store or greenhouse or wherever, I start off at 500 on this, and I put down what it is and quantity and everything. H is for seeds that I sow. When I start my own seeds, I start off at number 1 and it goes up, and that number stays with that plant. I can go back and tell you where I bought the seeds from. G is for the garden, direct sowing or transplanting in the garden. Anything that I transplant or direct sow in the garden, and it starts off at 1 and goes up. Right here you see on my computer, you see a layout of the garden. That's just a quick reference for me. Every bed is numbered. I can tell you each year what I put in that bed and the progress of it. Here is the spreadsheet that I use every day. I take and when I have something to update, it is updated on my computer. And my seeds are numbered. I can tell you where I bought the seeds or whatever. Thanks for watching the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. I hope if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and hope you have a happy gardening year. You have a good day.